Open for the public Sunday, June 23rd from 1-3 p.m. Get ready to be impressed by a stunningly renovated property in a lovely and quaint location. This 1930s Craftsman-style home has been stripped down to its solidly built bones and restored from the ground up. Features brand new dual-zone heating and cooling systems, new windows, freshly painted metal roof, new porch roofs, new hardiplank siding, new plumbing, new electrical, new kitchen, new baths, gleaming hardwood floors, gracious porches, a detached one-car garage, and so much more. It rests on an acre just outside the village of Boyce on a quiet country road with very little through traffic and easy access to major highways for commuters. There are 2 large bedrooms, 2 full baths and the laundry room upstairs, as well as a 1/2 bath on the main level, a spacious open kitchen, separate dining area and a large living room. The yard is private, open and level. A great place to enjoy the outdoors or entertain. Everything about this home shines. It's completely turnkey and offers the perfect blend of old world charm and tasteful modern amenities. Come see it today.